everyone, this is Angela from bakeitwithlove.com, where I have shared more than 2,000 recipes with all of you over the past 10 years. And today we're making this easy peach dump cake. This is the ultimate easy dessert. It's perfect for last minute occasions because it uses simple pantry ingredients like sliced peaches, cake mix, and butter. Those three core ingredients are all you need. I like to add a few extras, so watch on to see how to make this even better than you remember. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and drain a half a cup of juice or syrup from one of your two 29-ounce cans of peaches, and then we'll spread that over the cake mix later. You'll also want to generously coat the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish with softened butter or your favorite cooking oil. You can also use peach pie filling for this. In that case, you wouldn't have to drain anything. But we're going to start out with spreading the two cans of peaches in the bottom of the dish. So one can is drained, the other one is not. Add that to the bottom of the dish, and then we'll spread the box of cake mix over the top of the peaches. One of the essential things that we want to do, because we're baking a dump cake and they're notorious for having dry spots in the topping, is to make sure that our first layer, the peaches, are even. You can see that kind of shaking it around here. And then the cake mix also is even. When you add the cake mix, you can use a fork to spread the cake mix to the edges without mixing. We don't want to mix anything yet. But spread the cake mix to the edges and also tamp down any high spots that you see. Those will be really evident when we add our melted butter and the juice from our drained peaches. So then we'll drizzle that half a cup of melted butter on top of the cake mix. Be sure to get as much of your cake moistened as possible, and then repeat that with the reserved half a cup of peach syrup or juice. Next, we have the optional ingredients, but I do recommend them. That is a quarter cup of brown sugar. Sprinkle that over the top of your dump cake as it's assembled already. And then also a bit of ground nutmeg or cinnamon over the entire dump cake. I also have a McCormick sanding sugar flavor here. It's maple brown sugar. It was fantastic. You can use that if you find it. I recommend it. It turned out delicious. Then we'll cover the dump cake with a sheet of aluminum foil and bake at 350 degrees for 40 minutes with the foil. I remove it and finish baking for an additional 15 to 20 minutes, but when you remove the aluminum foil, this is the perfect time to again check your dump cake and knock down any dry spots. Your dump cake is done when it's bubbling up around the edges, everything is golden on the topping, and you should go ahead and insert a toothpick to check that the cake mix isn't gooey anywhere. A little gooey is normal and expected with this because of all the fruit juices, but we do want to cook through. You don't want to find any raw bits in your topping. Continue to cook it for a few more minutes if needed, and then when your cake is done, pull it out and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes, slightly cooling and setting up before serving it. Top it with a generous scoop of ice cream or some whipped cream, and you have a new family favorite dessert. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you try this out soon. I know that you'll love it. If you did like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and tell me what toppings you would add. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to visit Bake With Love, where I share all those wonderful recipes just like this and even better. And we will see you again next time.